The hills are alive. With silent, waiting ticks. Their bites can transmit bacteria that cause Lyme disease and other things that can make us very sick. Protected by these palps is a menacing mouth, covered in hooks. First, she has to find a host. She can sense animals like us by the carbon dioxide we give off. She reaches out with her front legs. Scientists call this questing. It will use that claw to latch onto something, like your sleeve. Now you see her. Now you don't. Once aboard, she searches out a nice spot to bite into for blood. She lives 3 years, but in that time, she only eats 3 meals. A tick needs enough blood to grow from larva to nymph. Nymph to adult. And then for females to lay their eggs. Gross. Let's check out a nymph, a young tick. It's tiny, smaller than a freckle. To grow into an adult, it needs 1 blood meal, a big one. The front of its body is all mouth. It digs into us using 2 sets of hooks. The hooks wriggle into the skin. They pull our flesh out of the way and push in this mouth part, the hypostome. Those hooks anchor the tick to us for the long haul, like mini harpoons. While the speedy mosquito digs in, sucks our blood, and splits, all within seconds. A tick nymph stays on for days. 3 days if we don't find it before then. Compounds in their saliva help blood pool under the surface of our skin. The nymph sips it through its mouth parts, like drinking from a straw. When a tick is full, and I mean completely full, it falls off wherever it may be. Maybe onto your bed. That's if you don't nab it first. You might have heard that you should twist or burn the tick. Not true. Grab the tick close to your skin and just pull straight out. That's how you win the fight against those tenacious hooks. Hey, I'm health reporter Laura Clivens, standing in for Lauren till the summer. This biologist from the California Department of Public Health is collecting ticks in Berkeley. At this park, only 1% of the ticks carry Lyme bacteria, but in some places, 40% can be infected. So make sure to do a thorough tick check after